How to change phone location to another country. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Play Store on your device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then type Proton VPN. Then tap on search. Then tap on Proton VPN and tap on install. Now wait for the app to install. After installing, simply tap on open. Then tap on continue. Then tap on not now. Then tap on connect. Now give the permissions. Now this will spoof your phone location to another country. If you want to change the country, simply tap on change server. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.